It's your boy Trey, and I'm back with another banger. Let's talk about the Nike Air Max 2 CB94 Suns. If you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Oh yeah, and welcome to Clones TV. Your boy had to do it. Shoestrings. What you think? What you think? Them hoes fire, man. God, I had to do it because it wasn't enough orange on this shoe for me. It just wasn't enough orange on this shoe for me. So your boy went on Amazon and found these orange shoestrings. I can't remember what I paid for them. And also, I got some caps. I don't know the name of them, but it's the cap. The shoestring is off. 'Cause I don't like to tie my shoes. For some reason, I just don't like to tie my shoestrings. For the ones that don't know, I got these shoes on StockX. I don't think these shoes never came out. About 3-4 days ago on Foot Locker, I seen them set to release May 1st, and when I went back on there, they were gone. So I guess they're pushing the shoe back again. The mistake I made when I purchased this shoe on StockX, I should have got a half size up, because I was size 12, but the toe box is killing me. But if I can get another pair, I would for $160 retail, and I'm gonna go 12 and a half. But that's all I wanted to do an update video, let y'all see what I did with these shoestrings. So what say y'all? Are these shoestrings hot? Are they trash? Y'all think I shouldn't have got the shoestrings? You think I should have passed? Let your boy know down there in the comment section below. All right, I'm out. Peace.